Hello everyone, I am Pushpa from CSCD having roll number 5M5. Today let us discuss about list methods. First of all, let us see what is list. List. It is a sequence of data type similar as an array. List is the collection of non-similar data elements referred as a single name. Syntax: group of elements enclosed with open square brackets and closed square brackets. Each element is separated by comma. It is assigned to a variable. For example, a equal to open square brackets hi comma 1 comma 2 closed square brackets. How to create an empty list? L equal to open square brackets closed square brackets. Now let us see about methods of lists. Insert method. To insert a new list of elements without replacing any of the existing values, we use insert method. Syntax: list variable name dot insert followed by parenthesis index value comma new value. Now let us see an example. Here I took list a equal to 1 comma 2 comma 4. Here I want to insert 3 in this list. According to our syntax, list variable name dot. Here the list variable name is a. So a dot insert followed by parenthesis index value 2. I want to insert 3 in this list, comma 3. Print a. We get output as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Append method. To add an item to the end of the list, we use append method. Syntax: list variable name dot append followed by parenthesis new value. Let us see an example. Here I took list called a. A equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. A dot append followed by parenthesis 4. Here I want to append 4 in this list A. So I took 4. Print A. We get output as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Extend method. To append elements from another list to the current list, we use extend method. Syntax: list variable name dot extend followed by parenthesis list 2. Let us see an example. Here I took two lists, a equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and the other list b equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6. A dot extend followed by parenthesis b. Print a. We get output as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. If we want to extend b, we can write as b dot extend followed by parenthesis a. Then we get output as 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. Remove method. The remove method removes the specified element from the list. Syntax: list variable name dot remove followed by parenthesis element. Let us see an example. A equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. From this list I want to remove 3. So a dot remove followed by parenthesis 3. Print a. We get output as 1 comma 2. Pop method. The pop method removes specified index value. Syntax: list variable name dot pop followed by parenthesis index value. Let us see an example. Here I took list called a. A equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. In this list I want to remove 2. The index value of 2 is 1. So a dot pop followed by parenthesis 1. Print a. We get output as 1 comma 3 comma 4. Let us see difference between remove method and pop method. To remove an element in remove method we use element, but in pop method we use index value. Sort method. The sort method that will sort the list alphanumerically. By default, ascending order. Syntax: list variable name dot sort followed by parenthesis. Let us see an example. Here I took list called A equal to 5, 4, 1, 3, 2. A dot sort followed by parenthesis. Print A. We get output in ascending order. So output equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To sort elements in descending order, we use the keyword argument reverse equal to true. Syntax: list variable name dot sort reverse equal to true. Here we have a note point that in true the T must be the capital letter. Otherwise it generates an error. Let us see an example. A equal to 1, 4, 3, 5, 2. A dot sort followed by parenthesis reverse equal to true. Print A. We get output as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse method. The reverse method reverses the list of elements in the list. Syntax: list variable name dot reverse followed by parenthesis. Now let us see an example. Here A is a list. A equal to 1, 35, 34. A dot reverse followed by parenthesis. Print A. We get output as 34, 35, 1. Copy method. Makes a copy of list with the copy method. Syntax: new list equal to list variable name dot copy followed by parenthesis. Let us see an example. Here I took list A equal to 1, 2, 3. My list equal to A dot copy followed by parenthesis. In my list I want to copy A elements. So print of my list. We get output as 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3 elements are assigned to my list. Maximum method. This method returns maximum value in the given list of elements. Syntax: I equal to max followed by parenthesis list name. Let us see an example. Here I took list A equal to 90, 100, 20, 5. I equal to max followed by parenthesis A. Print I. We get output as 100 because in list A the maximum element is 100. Minimum method. This method returns minimum value in the given list of elements. Syntax: I equal to minimum followed by parenthesis list name. Let us see an example. A equal to 1, 3, 76, 8. I equal to minimum followed by parenthesis A. Print of I. We get output as 1. Clear method. The clear method empty the list. The list still remains but it has no content. Syntax: list variable name dot clear followed by parenthesis. Let us see an example. A equal to 0, 9, 8. Print dot clear followed by parenthesis. Print A. We get output as empty list. Thank you.